Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix auto scroll missing on TikTok. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the TikTok. Open TikTok and you need to update TikTok application. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and open settings of your smartphone. Then you need to go into the app management and click on app list and search for the TikTok. Click on that. Then you need to click on storage and cache. The first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Here you can see permissions, and then you need to allow all permissions from here. Once you done that, you simply need to restart your smartphone and log in into your TikTok account. Once you done that, so let me show you. So this is the video, and here you can see that it is now auto scrolling. This feature is now enabled, so let me show you. So here you can see that auto scroll, click here, so it will be automatically scroll. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.